Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Saxo Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.home.saxo. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Login button. Here you can choose to log in as live account or demo account. Now enter your user ID associated with your account and your valid password. If you want your device to remember your login, then check the box that says remember user ID. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you do not remember your user ID or password, then you can click on forgot your user ID and forgot your password links respectively. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on sign up now link. And that is how you can log into Saxo Bank online banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.